What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today, simple. I'm just showing you where the AC charge port is on a Chevy Cruze. It's 2011 to 15, all in the same spot. All right, this right here is a 2014 Cruze RS with the turbo 1.4. If you come from the passenger side of the vehicle and you look right here by the firewall next to the passenger strut tower, charge port is here. Low side charge port for the AC. Simple enough. Normally I don't show anybody, but I guess I'll show you. I know you're probably bored. It's completely empty because I've replaced AC condenser, cooler for the turbo, radiator. Yeah, that's about it. So it's pretty empty. So it's empty. AC compressor kicked on. Simple as pie. Even though pie is not that simple, but get the gist of it. Agitate the can a little. This can was pretty low. AC compressor kicked on while it was still low. I don't even know if you can see it. Super low. I'm using Super Tech, Walmart brand. $5 a can, can't beat it. Alright, had to switch out. This is a fresh can. When the system feels like it is pressurized enough to kick the fans on, you will hear it. The phone's audible. Alright, right now we're in a green, not normally low. To the middle, green, call it quits. High side, burning the horn. Let's see where we're at. Alright. So simple as that. In less than 2 minutes, we got AC. Man, if I helped you out, thumbs up, subscribe. I always got something going on. I do more than rap. That's it. Hit me later, man.